Want to remove recent files from the Start menu in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to do it. At first, press the Windows key plus I keys together. Then, click on the Personalization settings. On the right-hand side, tap on the Start settings. Then, on the same side, just toggle the Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer settings to off. Just close the settings window. Open the Start menu and you will see the recommended files have appeared on the Start menu. Show Hide additional folders on the Start. You can also toggle the additional folders from appearing or disappearing on the Start menu. At first, open the settings. Then, go this way, just like before. Personalization. Start now, scroll down and click on the folders. Next, toggle the On button beside the particular items you want in the Start menu. Similarly, turn off those folders you don't want to see on the Start menu. Close the settings. The new Start menu will appear like this on your Start menu. Just tap on the Windows icon to open the Start menu. On the Start menu, right-click on the particular item you want to remove and click on Remove from List. Repeat the same feat for other items you don't want on the Start menu screen. At first, click on the Start icon on the taskbar. To view additional OneDrive files, click on the More on the left-hand side of the Recommended tab. This will show you the list of OneDrive files. Just right-click on the particular file and click on the Remove from List to delete the item from the list. This will remove the particular file from the Start menu. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.